Hey, Chris here from Swift Galleries, and in this quick video, I'm going to show you how to use Musea's multi-opening mats, the ones that you can download from their site and design in Photoshop. I'm going to show you how to use those inside Swift Galleries so you can show those in those realistic frames. All right, so what I've done is I've already gone in and downloaded the mat PSD files. You can get them from the shop page on their website, and I think they're in the digital store, so you can download those. They're free, and then this shows you kind of all of the different layouts that you can do. All right, so what I did was this 3 5x5s and a 10 by 23, and I'll show you that right now. Maybe. There we go. So I just followed their instructions to put these amazing images from Aaron Smagala Photography into this map. I saved this as a JPEG, and here's what you're going to do now inside Swift Galleries to use that. So I'm going to come over here to Swift Galleries, and I'm inside the client that I want to upload, that I want to show this to, right? So I'm going to come in here, I'm going to choose images, and you'll see I already have all of her photos in here. What I want to do, though, is make sure that I upload the one that I just designed. So where did I put that, though? That is the question, isn't it? There we go. All right, so that's the JPEG. I'm going to upload that. Okay, so that's uploaded now. Now all I need to do is come into the designer. And let's go ahead and just get rid of that guy on the wall. Come over here to my rooms and choose one. Let's do, I know. Let's just like design it as if we were going to put it on like this shelf right here. Okay, so let's click A. So I'm going to add a product. I'm going to choose a framed product. I think the Corsica is the one that I want to do. Here we go. So I'll select that. Go ahead and say, yep. And now I'm going to resize that because obviously that's not the size that I want. I'm going to choose that 10 by 23. And we'll place that right over here on the shelf. And now I'm going to choose the image that I just uploaded for that spot. And of course, my face is in the way. Here we go. And there we go. So that's what that's going to look like. Let's go ahead and just zoom into that so you can see just the detail on that. It's really nice. So you can see here, we've got that really nice detailed frame edge, and then we've got the detail in the mat itself there. So that's it. That's how you do it. It's really, really simple. Essentially what you're doing is just dropping the frame on the wall and then importing the full PSD, or obviously you're going to save it as either a PNG or a JPEG, but you're dropping that whole thing in as the image and just bringing that right into the frame inside Swift Gallery. So hope that helps, and let me know if you have any questions at all.